The Kingdom Business Short Course is a 7-week, step-by-step program designed to validate the call to business, resource the local church, and build like-minded community.
3, 2, 1, action!
Every week you will watch a module of content, and at the end of that time there will be a discussion question to facilitate conversation. You know, my goal is that there'll be fresh conversations, fresh revelation, and fresh breakthrough for the people that attend. Also, as part of this course, there is a specific piece of content for our pastors. One of my personal missions is to get the pastors and the business people to work really closely together so the business people can lift up the arms of their pastors. Also, part of this training is a training specifically for the facilitator, how to run a good meeting, how to get people to engage. And of course, every single person is going to get a workbook where they can follow along and answer the questions for themselves. You know, some of my desired outcomes is I want to see people sure in their call to business being a call from God. I want to provide a resource so that churches can invest in their business people. I want to see finance, lots of finance funneled into the churches so they can do so much more outreach in their communities. And I want to see Christians activated so they can go and be salt and light in the marketplace and bring Jesus into this dark world. I believe right now there is an urgency for us to do what the scripture says and disciple nations. And if we're going to disciple a nation, we must disciple the marketplace. It's never been more urgent, it's never been more practical, and it's never been more needed. So I urge you, start today. Start the Kingdom Business Short Course. Let's activate the entrepreneurs, and my prayer is that it plays a role in your kingdom business success story.